Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on Twitter, GoPro X CHK daily weekly time frame. Twitter bulls with the bull MAC decross and the oversold bounce getting underway now. So the break of 1636 broke the lower high pattern and gave the bull signal. And now we were looking up at 1648. That broke. Next resistance, 17 psychological. There's a bunch of moving average resistance at the daily time frame. The 100 and the 200-day moving average are lining up in the low 17s. And we got the weekly time frame. Middle Bollinger Band and the 50-week moving average are both just above those levels. So there's a good amount of moving average resistance on both the daily and the weekly that the bulls are going to have to get through, but there is nice momentum from this oversold bounce. Obviously, the market strength certainly helping the bulls with momentum at their backs, and watching to see how much upside we can get from here. If the bulls in the market show up again tomorrow, we'll be looking for Twitter bulls to follow through as well with higher highs. And we did close very strong up near the high of the day, so bulls certainly have momentum into tomorrow. GoPro on the daily time frame, also with the bullish reversal candlestick. We hit a lower low, but we didn't fill that gap, nor did we hit the weekly middle Bollinger Band support yet. So the bullish reversal candlestick needs to get confirmation over the middle Bollinger Band after 2 rejections from this middle Bollinger Band the past 2 days. That level tomorrow is going to be at about 918 or so. We'll have to update that at the open. And we need to see confirmation of this bullish reversal candlestick. The weekly time frame is also trying to form a bullish reversal candlestick. How tomorrow goes is going to be pretty important in terms of 3 trading days left in the week. And if we do see follow through tomorrow, the bulls will have odds in their favor of being able to see a doji or a hammer form for the bulls on this weekly time frame at the least. X on the daily time frame, also seeing the bulls show up after their higher low has been set now at 23.22. Resistance is up at 24.95. If we break the higher low pattern, it's a nice bearish entry. If we break the high of 24.95, the next resistance is up in the $26 range, so there's upside potential there as well. The bulls are liking the volume here, increasing bull volume, declining bear volume, and then a spike in bull volume again. So the daily volume does favor the bulls, but again, weekly chart, just not a fan of how this chart has been set up and how it is just very weakly puttering along over the last 3 months. But the bulls still hold daily control, and as long as that is the case, they will remain in control. Checking in on CHK, which has been very bearish. We do have an inside bar, very tight range forming on the daily time frame. Bulls need to break 388 tomorrow. Bears want to see a break of 381. If we break that resistance level, we have the exponential resistances, which have been driving the price down for a month at this point. Bulls will have to close over those levels to see any kind of bounce play out. And on the weekly time frame, bulls trying to see a reversal candlestick. We have not seen one since this new leg to the downside dump has occurred, and we would have to see a close ideally up at 390 or higher for a bullish reversal candlestick by the end of this week. So bulls trying to see some life. We have not seen 2 green days in a row on CHK since in August. That has not happened. X on the daily time frame, so we'll see if we get that follow through tomorrow. GoPro and Twitter, bulls in their favor, and again, the market correlation on this balance with all of these names, certainly very significant and helping these bulls get some follow through and some momentum to the upside. So we need to be watching the overall market to see if that correlation and that strength does keep up. Thanks for tuning in. We'll check back in tomorrow.